Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Apple AirPods 4 and I'm going to tell you why can't you charge your headphones using wireless charger. So here, as you can see, we have a wireless charger, and if I place my Apple AirPods 4, they are not charging. That is because our base Apple AirPods 4, which are without ANC, doesn't support wireless charging only with the USB Type-C cable. But if we have our Apple AirPods 4 with ANC, our headphones can charge wirelessly on a QI2 charger. That's it, hope it helps you and hope you can charge your headphones now. Goodbye!